Mwanjo murigereri kubwatakana amone taro eyo ya umugwasiri yo mukoro musika Fred Okengo Matiang'i ase orogongo rwagusi nigo ababwatani ebe kiumbe gutebe kiama kia Jubilee kurwase county ya Kisii banyaga bagwesokia na guyakere kukobuna kiamekyo na kyo umusika Fred Matiang'i abwanda gutumeka asobo chorio wonne mwaka bwechiri ubere na 2025 asako tabuni kiamekyo na kikiamekane na kiamakere ase ense ya Kenya engima.
We thank Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i for coming back home and accepting the request of the community and the Kenyans at large to run for the presidency in 2027. 2, we thank the Jubilee Party under the leadership of President Uhuru Kenyatta and Secretary General Jeremiah Kioni for endorsing the candidacy of Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i under Jubilee Party. And 3, the community, that is the Gusii community and the Jubilee Party in Kisii, now offers Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i to Kenyans and the leaders across the country to make coalitions and the friendships that can comfortably win the 2027 general elections. And therefore, the Jubilee Party in Kisii County wishes to warn leaders who have had the tendency of insulting the community to stop forthwith and respect Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. And lastly, we agreed as a party that we urge the community and the Kenyans at large to register in large numbers with the Jubilee Party as this is the next government.
Etwagokire twabero moko monene buna chairman umita somire na mangana twabekamo twaranga tia toicha saba mo secretary tonyabekamo tonyakwanira sobomo sabomo gakoturusiro bosoku nere toganyirete nande twamanyorere ntubuna bangina gusiengima etutagete toichamo nabagaka abaito batubwatsi tosumo mo gakoito Matiang'i na kusudi abe president ya country ya Kenya abantu bonse be bamwanchire nere batagite bona ntoba gusine ntu twanchire twensi bitu amwando sirirero tigabona agende mutu aliye service kubinde na kusudi tobwaterane 2027 nere president yetu kuruweka Kisii County.
Togote banga Jubilee Party nere bugate a national outlook. Ekara togote agantu bugate presidential candidate ole chinkuru bune cha Matiang'i. Igata gete gutware party eranyare ko bugate outlook ya Kenya. Abantu bonse bakora kibako soyi. So igo otoko encourage abantu bandi bonse. Aba Kenya bonse asa sebabeta batubwate si Kenya asenginjo tutayete gukora tutayete gukomboa Kenya goitera asobugambi borabe ubuya at State House bwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i
na ituna basae twachiramo tutagete tokonye mushimo Dr. Fred Matiang'i atore torobo sera seita abantu twachayirwa matuko obora ibwachayirwa matuko abangina babwate mechando abagakamba bwate mechando bonege ntona kania abana bamito bagusii tobwata na muto chamo torosyo buya no burayi bobuya.